an old private house in a small village. On the night when the sound of rain gently knocks on the window, Mina, a girl who lives in an old house in a corner of a small village, was about to fall into a peaceful sleep while wrapped in a fluffy blanket. Outside, the continuous rain is echoing the sound of gently stroking the leaves of the trees and seeping into the ground. Mina imagined a slightly different story while listening to the sound of the rain. What spreads in her heart is the story of an adventure in a dream under the night sky with shining stars scattered all over. There is a forest wet with rain spreading there. It was said that the spirit of rain, a legendary creature that has been handed down since ancient times, lives deep in the forest. She quietly goes through the forest to meet the spirit. While the rain was quiet, Mina echoed her footsteps step by step. In the world I drew in my heart, colorful flowers are in full bloom, and the spirit of rain welcomes Mina with a gentle smile. I'm glad you came, Mina. What does the rain keep falling to tell you? The spirit said with a smile. Mina talks about her thoughts. I feel like I've forgotten something important in my daily busy schedule. The sound of rain is gentle and resets your mind. That's why I came here. The spirit of the rain nodded and pointed to the flowers that colored around. Look, thanks to the rain, the flowers bloom beautifully. Sometimes, it is necessary to stop and cherish the quiet moment. Mina was touched by those words. She realized the importance of getting away from the daily hustle and bustle, harmonizing with nature, and listening to the voice of her heart. The spirit gave her a small raindrop as it was. Take care of this and come back anytime. At that moment, Mina closed her eyes, was wrapped in a pleasant silence, and fell into a deep sleep. The sound of rain echoes like a lullaby and gently heals her heart. The next day, when Mina woke up, the rain stopped and there was a bright rainbow outside the window. In her heart, the encounter with the rain spirit remained faintly, and she felt the courage to take a new step. From that day on, Mina began to cherish sometimes quiet moments and not forget to listen to the voice of her heart even in her busy daily life. The sound of rain was the beginning of a story that healed her heart as a special sound for her.